Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 12 Lite and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why I tap to install and now we should wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just click here to open the app on the right down corner, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click twice to OK, go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now let's tap to OK. We can see that the process is finished and let's go for example here to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard. We can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.